안녕하세요. 실샤싱이라고 합니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 올리비아라고 합니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 류시라고 합니다.
নমস্কার, আমি দেবাঞ্জনা মৈত্র।
안녕하세요. Hello everyone. This is Tashi.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम देवलीना दत्ता है. There's a lot to share about KCLC other than the classes. First of all, if you have any doubt, you can go to your teachers and solve them clearly. Teachers are so friendly. And what I felt is KCLC not just only concentrate on teaching Korean language, they teach good manners, good attitudes too. And also KCLC organizes a lot of events. I have been there like kimbap making events, Korean movie screening events, Christmas events, and also exciting Korean cultural event where our students get to share our talent through singing, dancing and doing other creative activities. That great KCLC is.
ক্লাসেসগুলো ছাড়াও খুব সুন্দর অনেক কিছু হয়, নানা রকমের ইভেন্টস রাখা হয়, যেমনি কোরিয়ান খাবার তৈরি করো, ওরকম সবাই আসে পার্টিসিপেট করে। তারপরে এরকম আরও মেকআপ নিয়ে শেখানো হয়। আর শুধু যে আমরা কোরিয়ান শিখছি তাও নয়, কোরিয়ান ইন্ডিয়ান দুটো কালচারকে একসাথে করার চেষ্টা করা হয়, দুটো এক্সচেঞ্জ যেটা আমরা বলি সেটা করার চেষ্টা হয়। তাই জন্য নানা রকমের জিনিস হয়, সেগুলোতে আমরা দুটো তরফাই জানতে পারি। সিনেমা দেখানো দেখি হয়, সেগুলো খুব ভালো লাগে, সবাই মিলে একসাথে আসে, ভীষণ ভালো লাগে। এই ইভেন্টসগুলো খুব ভালো, খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং, সবাইকে খুব মুগ্ধ করার মতো একটা জায়গা যেখানে আমরা সবাই খুব আগ্রহ নিয়ে ইনভলভ হতে পারি।
문화원에서 개최한 한국 문화를 체험할 수 있는 행사나 모임들이요. 또 코로나 확산 전 개최한 콜카타 한국 문화의 날과 기생충 영화 상영 행사를 잊을 수 없는 추억이라고 생각합니다. KCLC에서 한국어를 배우면서 많은 행사에 참여할 수 있고 또 진행자로 도움도 될 수 있어서 너무 즐겁습니다. KCLC에서 공부하면서 전인도 한국 말하기 대회에 나갈 기회도 있었고 또 한국에 대한 정보와 인식을 공유할 수 있는 공공 외교 대사가 될 수 있는 기회가 생긴 것도 좋았습니다. 그리고 코로나 확산 전 한국에 갈 예정이었는데 혹시 기회가 된다면 우리 멤버들과 함께 한국 여행을 해볼 수 있으면 정말 좋겠습니다.
जो वातावरण है KCLC का, क्योंकि मुझे लैंग्वेज तो पसंद है ही, लेकिन कोरियन कल्चर में भी मुझे बहुत दिलचस्पी है। और सर जो कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ KCLC में रखते हैं क्लासेस के अलावा, वो चीज़ भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
Okay, obviously the classes are the best thing about KCLC. Apart from that, what I like is that KCLC is not just an institute. KCLC is a family just the boy say. So where people from different backgrounds, maybe from different places, they come together. They learn something that they like in common.
And other than the classes, what do I like of KCLC? Oh my god. It is as I said, it's a comfort zone. It's a fun zone. Apart from the classes, we get to experience Korean culture. We get to interact with Korean people. The teachers are absolutely, they are friendly. They are great people to talk to. And KCLC organizes a lot of fun activities and interactive sessions. And the bottom line is, besides educating yourself about Korean language, you get to learn a lot about Korean language in various ways. And that's the reason, KCLC is much more than a language learning institute.
जब 2020 में पेंडेमिक की वजह से लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट हो गया था तो मैं बहुत चिंतित हो गई थी, क्योंकि मैं KCLC नहीं जा पा रही थी क्लासेस लेने के लिए। तो मैं अपना कोर्स कैसे कंप्लीट करूँगी ये सोच रही थी। लेकिन मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ सर का कि उन्होंने फिर से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू किए और जो ज़रूरत के बुक्स, स्टडी मटेरियल सब घर पे डिलीवर किए ताकि हम लोग अच्छे से पढ़ सकें।
এখন সময়টা অত ভালো যাচ্ছে না, খুবই খারাপ সময়, তাই তারই মধ্যে এখনও ক্লাস যাতে কারোর আটকে না যায়, কেউ কোনোভাবে পেছনে না পড়ে যায়, সেই জন্য অনলাইন ক্লাসেসগুলো চলছে। সব জায়গায় অনলাইন ক্লাস চলছে, কিন্তু এখানে অনলাইন ক্লাসে একটাও কারোর কোনো কিছু মিস হয় না, সব পরপর হয়, টাইমের সাথে করা হয়, সবাইকে ঠিক ঠিক সময়ে জিনিসপত্র দিয়ে দেওয়া হয়, সেই জিনিসপত্রগুলো নিয়ে আমরা পড়াশোনা করে পড়াই খুব সুন্দরভাবে সাপোর্ট দেওয়া হয়। এই অনলাইন ক্লাসেসগুলোতেও সবাইকে সুন্দরভাবে ইন্টারেস্টিং করে শেখায়, অডিও ফাইলস কানে শুনে আমরা যাতে ভালো করে শিখতে পারি সেইগুলোরও ব্যবস্থা করা হয় অনলাইন classes KCLC.
Korean Cultural Language Center has organized online classes. So we are doing online classes right now because of the pandemic, because of COVID-19, of course. So yes, the best part about the online classes is that I don't miss the actual classes. Of course I do miss myself going to the institute and the kind of fun I used to have while learning, but the online classes are not lagging behind. It's equally interesting, high on the fun quotient, and also learning is always running parallelly.
When the pandemic started last year, Itne Villa KCLC introduced online classes over Zoom. So the quality of the classes were top notch. Like there was not one day when the teachers were not on time, or there was not even one day when their network lagged. So the quality and the amount of effort जुन चाहिँ KCLC ले चाहिँ अहिले आफ्नो classes, online classes मा they've been putting up, it is commendable, it is amazing.
When I first got to know KCLC classes will be online, I was like, will it be same? Won't it be a little bit different? So I was feeling like this. But what I feel now after doing online classes for a few months, it's just the same. The only difference I could feel is we were in the classroom before the pandemic and we are just home due to the pandemic. No difference in classes.
네, 저는 온라인 수업을 하기로 한 것이 아주 좋은 결정이었다고 생각합니다. 갑자기 생긴 이 어려운 시기에 저같이 한국과 한국 문화에 관심이 많은 학생에게는 희망적인 기회가 되었다고 생각합니다. 고급반 수업도 참석하고 토픽 수업도 많이 들으면서 KCLC가 저에게는 좋은 기회가 되어주었습니다. KCLC 덕분에 록다운 기간에도 긍정적인 마인드를 가지고 공부를 할 수 있었다고 생각합니다. 온라인 수업의 장점도 많다고 생각합니다. 수업 후 복습할 수 있도록 레코딩 파일도 받을 수 있고 또 책의 PDF 버전도 무료로 제공돼서 경제적으로 부담 없이 한국어를 배울 수 있습니다.